So hi, hello everyone. So today we are going to see like auto scaling. What you call is auto scaling group lab. So lab part we are seeing, theory part already we have seen in the previous video. So this I'm taking you through the lab. So yeah. So for just log into AWS. Okay. Yeah. So what is the first process is I'll tell you the scenario. So what is actually auto scaling group and load balancer? These all are the taken in the previous session. So if you have not gone through the theory part, please go through it. Then you will understand better way. So auto scaling. The name itself is explaining कि it is automatically getting scale up or scale down. So yeah. So if like we need more resources, then it will be like automatically the what you call is skill in the server will be created and the this thing those theory part I have already handled. So I'm just writing the steps to for lab part. Okay, so auto scaling group for lab. Okay, so first step is just create EC2. Okay, EC2 instance. Then second step is for that EC2 instance which you have created. For that EC2 you need to create what you call is image and template. You will select and you will I'll show you the in lab like practically you have to create image. Then the third step is you have to go to launch configuration and create launch configuration. What is image? You can understand, right? Image is something like duplication of that EC2 server. So it will be creating the same thing will be created in this image. Okay. So image is something you can just consider as duplicate. Fourth one is auto scaling group you have to create. Then how you are creating auto these steps you are following, I'll show you one by one. And I'll show you how like it is getting created. So let's see. Just go to AWS and just log in. I have already logged in. So create one new instance. It is simple process which I have explained you the previous thing. So yeah, instance is there. So you can just launch instance. These are the previous instance I have. So yeah, you can just name something like auto scaling group test. Okay, and you can select Ubuntu and all the basic whatever requirements is there like free tire eligible and all these things. You can select keep here is the same, and which is September 12. And go to network settings, edit it, and just select the default one. Auto is just one thing. Just security group name you can give ASG test SG security group. Okay, no problem. And all these thing is fine. If you want to add security group, then you can say anywhere you can make it. Okay, so like that you can do it, but yeah, no need now. So we can go for all the defaults. If you select here number of instance 2, it will be 2 will be selected. So we have 4 instance before. Now we are creating the fifth one. Those are the actually stopped one. So we are not yeah successfully view all instance. So you can see all these are the instances before only. ASG test one I have created now. Okay. So we have created Then let's see if it is running condition or not. Yeah, you can see here it is running. Okay, instance running. So just click on it. How to create image, I am telling you, like second step, going for the second step, we are going for the second step. Create EC2 instance. First step is done. For the EC2 instance you need to create image, right? So for this just click on that, and the image and template you can see. Then here you have option create image. Just give some random name, like AC image 1. Okay, image just for test. Okay, so add volume, enable the all these thing will be automatically just go for default and create image. Yeah, after creating image, where to see like image is has been created or not. So this thing, if you go for AMIs, here you can see ASG image which I have given. So you can name here also like image test. Okay, so no worry, any name you can give. These are the like basic things, anything you can give. Now, after creating image, what is the next process for the ECTDs? You need to create a next process is launch configuration. Yeah, we have to go just like in this only EC2, just go at last of these tabs. Okay, EC2 dashboard, EC2 global view, this thing you are seeing now. So you can go to last, and in auto scaling part, there is launch configuration. Go for that and create launch configuration. Give any name. Configuration new for us. Okay. Why we have created that image now? Because we need to select here. We cannot go for like the see SG image coming no, because we have created for that instance image we have created. Okay. So these are the go for defaults, and go for new security group. This security group you can change it like, yeah, new security group you can give name. Okay, if you want some rule need to be added, you can add it. Choose an existing pair. No, if you have like no pair and all, then you can choose the new pair. I am choosing the existing one. Existing key pair I have September 12. Then I acknowledge and all. You do, and go for launch configuration. One more required field are missing. Where it is? Where it is missing? So yeah, instance type. Choose instance type. So yeah. So these are the actually basic thing. Micro, you have to choose T2 micro. So these are the free tier eligible. So you have to choose T2 micro. Yeah. Now you can create launch configuration. Okay. See, it got created. This config new, I have given the name. So yeah, after launch configuration, what is the fourth step? Auto scaling group we need to create. Okay. So we can go here and where go back, yeah, yeah, auto scaling group. So basically from here we can create the auto scaling group. So they have explained like auto scaling, if scale out needs dead, scale out will be done. Minimum size you have to select and decide capacity and all, it will go till there. Okay, so just to create auto scaling group, just click on it, just give some name, auto scaling group 1. Okay, switch to see here you will not get the option launch template thing will come. You have to do switch launch configuration, because we have to go with launch configuration. So if you'll do here launch configuration, there will be your name which you have created config new. Okay, now go for next step. So BPC is this one, and select all three subnets to check with it. Go for next. No load balancer. Now we are not attaching any load balancer, and 300 second you just give 60 second health check crash. Okay, so these are the default. You just go and next you do. See, yeah, these are the important. If your desired capacity should be more than the minimum capacity. Maximum capacity is what? If you are giving here 2, 2, 3, 3, 3 instance will be created. Now you can see I'll show you. Okay, how many instances are there in a running condition? You can see there are only one instance here running. So I'll not create the instance now. Automatically instance will be creating. How it will be creating? So we are giving only desired capacity is 1 and minimum capacity is also 1. It can be same, but it cannot be less than the minimum capacity. Okay. So this thing, if you want to do scale in protection and all, you can do it. Then go for next. Notification if you want to add. Okay. You just need to give email and all, email ID. Okay, can do whatever it is. Like, yeah, notification and email if you want to send. If you now, if I'll do no, it will charge. So we are not doing now. So go next, tag next only. It is for reviewing, like they are telling complete details for reviewing. Okay, just create auto scaling group. If you'll create no, now you can notice here only one SG test is running, right? So we can check now. It will be in two instance because we have created one instance more. So it will take few times. So yeah, you can see there is another instance which is running. I didn't create the instance, right? So it got automatically got created. So this is what the auto scaling group. This is what the concept like automatically it will create. Even now, if the percentage like if your users percentage is more than this, no, automatically one more will be created. Like that, it will be created more and more. So don't forget to delete all this. If you delete, no, if you delete all this thing, it will be creating again. Suppose this I am deleting, okay, terminating. So this is the terminate, okay, shutting down. It got shutting down again. Again, it will be created. You cannot delete permanently from here, okay. Just wait for 1 minute. So this is what the auto scaling means. So to delete the complete, like it should not create one more time. You have to delete the auto scaling group first, then this process also. Okay. Whatever we have created now, we have to delete those. So here, if you go for this, see here it is getting created now, but it is not in running condition. Okay, okay, it is terminated, but yeah, it will be creating one more instance. So yeah, so okay, so this is it will be created, no worries. So what how to delete now? So first delete this ASG. How to delete? Just click on delete button and type delete. Otherwise, it will not getting okay. This will get deleted. Go to configuration. This also you delete. Okay. Then go for image AMIs. Deregister AMI. Okay. Now if you'll go for a snapshot, no, there will be one snapshot will be created for this. Okay, you can see the details. Snap available completed Monday 13 17. The time and all everything will be there. So you can delete this one as well because it will cost you later, right? Delete a snapshot. Okay, successfully deleted and delete EC2 also. No delete, terminate. Okay. So yeah, thank you. That's all for auto scaling group, and you can just like connect. You can just go through it and do one more time or two more time. You will get it everything. And please subscribe the channel and stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you.